Yeah, definitely. Previously, LPG is a direct to fire system actually, and the Urja is the steam oriented. That's a much difference. We are facing a lot of comfort in that actually. Even the chef, many times they are told, yes, Urja is the very good this thing. We can go for it, and for they are recommending for other chefs also to do that because of their comfort actually.
A lot of in fact we as a customer now for the last 2 years we had a slight of doubt that what will be the service delivery part, because we are completely dependent on Urja and we are slowly getting away from the gas, operating with gas. In that way, it is a byproduct of all your residuals of coconut shells, groundnut shells and your sugarcane extracts, and that is a residual. And you people are so confident that no, we are directly procuring the raw material from the farmers directly, and so any time during the year or whatever is happening, your supply will never get interrupted at any point of time. So touch wood, till date we don't have any issues with Urja in terms of the timely supply, and your distributors and your account managers are on board with their commitment levels, and also their service is absolutely fantastic till date. So that is one biggest advantage of what we are having with Urja, because Urja is one vendor where you can rely upon for a long time. If somebody is skeptical about their service delivery, yes, there's no issue with the service delivery. You can 100% rely on them.
Main constraint in this business is the service. The service part is there for them is good. For us the service part, whatever any some issues will be there, they will be sorting it out quickly.